Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can correctly use Vast AI. In order to do so, here we are at vast.ai, and what we're going to do is check in with our friend Perplexity. Using the voice mode here, we will find out how to correctly use Vast AI.
Vast AI lets you rent GPU compute resources by the hour. The basic steps are sign up, add at least $5 credit, get an API key from the console, then search for GPUs by model, VRAM, and price via their console or API. Once you choose a GPU, you deploy instances and scale them as needed. You can interact programmatically using their Python SDK, CLI, or REST API. Does that help? Or do you want details on a specific step?
That is exactly what I was looking for. Thank you so much. Check out Perplexity's Comet browser. I swear by it at this point. It's a fantastic tool. And you can also check out Cider. Cider is a great extension as well. You could see here the Cider tab, and this is because I have the extension, and with Cider you can ask questions at any given time. But with Perplexity you have the same thing. You've got the handy assistant here that is ready there for you at any time to ask questions of, and there's the voice mode as well that you saw us demonstrate. So that is how you can use Vast AI. Head over to vast.ai to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our playlist all about Cintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.